Hey, how you doing everybody? Welcome back to Big Frogs 4x4. Just wanted to give you a quick review of the cell phone holder for tripods that I ordered from Amazon, and also the Amazon tripod. So this is the Carless cell phone holder for tripods. You could also probably put multiple different mounts on it. It offers the same screw-in threads that any other cell phone holder, camcorder, or camera mount for a tripod would screw into. It has a knob here that loosens, so you can pivot this all the way around. Also offers a screw thread in the bottom of this mount for other accessories, or if you needed to put this part onto the tripod, it's the same threads. It also offers 2 1/4 inches fully collapsed and up to 3 3/4 inches wide devices. As you can see, it's mainly plastic, but does use metal inserts for the screws, top here and here, and also the threaded part that screws in and out is also metal. Nice soft rubber, holds the phone extremely well. I've had the tripod fall over because I kicked it by accident, and it held my phone in place. The phone didn't fall out. So very happy with this purchase. I'll put a link in below to Amazon if you're interested in buying it. I think it ran about $8. Definitely worth $8. Okay, the Amazon tripod offers a knob here to loosen for tilt, a knob here to loosen so you can tilt this mount as well. Lock in place. Offers a quick release for your camera. This base comes with the tripod, so you can screw that into your camera so you can remove the camera or whatever you need to remove quickly. Spring loaded, locks in place. Offers a level, so if you need your camera held perfectly level, you can do that as well. Easily and smoothly. Obviously there's no weight on it right now, but easily and smoothly rotates forward, backward. Locks that as well. Has a level here, so you know if your tripod is sitting level. Has a lock here, so that you can raise the tripod. I have a hard time holding it. As you can see, at its highest point, it's 5 feet 3 inches tall. Also comes with a carry handle here. The legs are independently adjustable. 2 different clicks, adjustment there and adjustment there. When you have the legs all the way up, it offers a tripod hook on the bottom for your camera bag or anything else you want to hang off the bottom of the tripod. This locks it in place. Loosen this. Tripod completely collapses. At its shortest, it is 2 feet tall. Comes with a carrying bag as well. So far, very happy with the product. Well built. Everything moves and functions smoothly. Gives multiple options as far as adjustment, tilt, and angle. I'll put a description for it as well down below. Would highly recommend both of these products if you plan to shoot any kind of video. I used this tripod and this setup for my son's football games when he played high school football. Was able to change the legs according to the bleacher height. As always, thanks for watching. Check out the description down below for links to these products. God bless.